Hey guys, good afternoon. So today I hope you guys are doing well. So today I wanted to give you a tour. I already showed you the facility where I work in, but today I'm going to give you a live demo of a jet at Supersonic. You want to hear a jet at Supersonic? Let's go Supersonic. But before we go Supersonic, I spent entire day on sorting out a small problem, because when you have a facility where there are hundreds of things interwoven together and there is one thing that is malfunction, and it's a heck of a job. You have to work like a programmer, check segment by segment. So finally I sorted out the problem, and the problem is, you want to see the problem? Yeah, let's find out the problem. This bad boy here is a problem. You see, this one, this wire is in fact broke, and due to this broken wire there was a problem in transmitting the signal to the electronic valve. So first of all, I'm going to give you an overview. This is the PC, the control of the jet, and this is where we will sit and control the NPR, nozzle pressure ratio. I have a single stream nozzle. In real jet engines there are dual stream coaxial nozzles, right? So in this we have only single stream nozzle. Here we have the main valve and the valve for the mechanical valve, and this is the power supply for the electronic valve. And then this thing all goes from here to the anechoic chamber. Let's go inside the anechoic chamber. As you can see that it's little quiet. It's quiet here. The cutoff frequency for this is 500 Hertz. So for those technical people. And here you see this one is the mechanical valve. Here you see this is the pressure regulator. And now this pressure regulator is set at 2.2 something, 2.4 bar. And this one here is the electronically controlled valve, and this is what we're going to control from the PC and run the jet. But by the way, this one is the jet. As you can see, this one is the jet. Here is the flat plate, and the mirror that you see is for the Schlieren setup. So you can see here there is a light source and the place for the camera, and there is a knife edge also placed right on the light source. So what we are going to do is we're going to have a look how does the jet impacts on the flat plate and how does it looks. Plus the shock cells, of course, when we run the supersonic jet. So first of all, let's hear how does it sounds to go supersonic. But by the way, this is a small nozzle, 12 millimeter dia, 12 millimeter dia nozzle. So let's run it on the supersonic Mach. The rest is okay, but there are other things for example, as you can see, this is a white tape, and this is a white tape to cover the holes. These holes are for the Coolite microphones. I usually take valve pressure measurements at different Mach number, different positions, to see the effect of the jet on the valve pressure. So I want to see screech, I want to see BB-san, and I also want to see the effect of the boundary layer. So this is what we all want. This is what I all want to study. So, but for the moment, I have covered it all because I have taken already the acoustic measurements. As you can see here, there is this acoustic signal conditioner, and this is Yokogawa for my acoustic signal acquisition. But of course I will show you in detail, and I'll also show you the post-processing results. But let's run the jet now. As you can see here, no need to tell, this is the NPR, so we're going to control the NPR. In turn, we're going to control the jet, right? So I'll just focus it here from now on. This is 0.1. Okay. As you can see, everything is working, up and running. One more thing we need to do is okay. So we'll put it here so that nobody should cross while the jet is at Mach 1 plus. small things, it's good always to check for the safety, to check for small debris on the path of the jet, because when the jet go Mach 1, it's too dangerous. Because most of the time I work with small things, like you see, for example, look. So, and even in your lab, if you're working, there are so many small things that you work with, and if they are on the path of the jet, this is a big problem. For example, look at this. Now if this is on the plate, this is a big problem. So it's always a good practice to check for the safety. Okay, now first of all, I'm going to run the jet at 0.84 NPR, which is Mach 0.9. Let's have a look. So we will go slowly. So this is Mach 0.9. Whoa. So I'll close this video here, and now I will start the Schlieren acquisition. So I will also upload the results, but the Schlieren acquisition will start from Mach 0.9 till 1.1. So I'll upload all the results so that you could also see how does the results are. By the way, in the next video we'll also show you the Schlieren setup. So when I upload the results, I'll make the video. But let's have a look. It's very simple. So this one is the light source. Maybe I showed it multiple times. As you see, this is the light source. This is the stand for the camera. And here you see, this is the mirror. Okay, I close this light up and let's run.